My name is Gundaban Shiva and my roll number is H5. Today my topic is illustration of continuous time signal, size, amplitude, power and energy. Continuous time signal. A continuous time signal is a signal function that it continues, meaning there is no break in the signal. For a real value of t, you will get a value as f of t, t subset map and continuous time signal are usually represented by using x of t having parentheses and the variable t. A signal of continuous amplitude and time is known as a continuous time signal or analog signal. This will have some value at every instant of time. The electric signal is delivered in proportion with the physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, sound, etc. are generally continuous signals. A power signal has infinite energy and energy signal has zero average power. The power of signal is the sum of absolute square of its domain samples divided by the signal length or equivalent, the square of its RMS value. The function of band power always used to estimate signal power in one step. A signal representation, a physical quantity like a voltage, current, a pressure, we define the average power P of x equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by t from minus t to plus t by 2 minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 modulus of xt square dt. In a particular, if the signal is a periodic representation of a pulse, then power equal to 1 by t naught integration modulus of x of t whole square dt. Here the difference is at particular time. Here p of x equal to 1 by t naught integration of x of t whole square, and average power equal to, at average power at different places, average power equal to limit tends to infinity 1 by t integration minus t by 2 plus t by 2 x of t whole square dt. Signal energy and power. If I of t is the current through a resistor, then the energy dissipated in the resistor is ER limit tends to infinity minus t to t I square of t RT dt. This is energy in joules. The signal energy for IT is defined as the energy dissipated in a 1 ohm resistor. Energy dissipated in 1 ohm resistor equal to limit tends to infinity minus t to t I square t dt. The signal energy for a possible complex signal x of t is E of x limit t tends to infinity minus t to t x of t whole square dt. In the most application this is not an actual energy. Most signals are not actually applied to 1 ohm resistor. The average of the signal over the time is signal power. Properties of energy and power signal. A energy signal x of t has zero power. P of x limit tends to infinity 1 by 2t integration from minus t to t x of t whole square dt. If E of x is less than infinity, then its power equal to 0. A power of signal has infinite energy when P of x is greater than 0. Here we can observe formula E of x equal to limit tends to infinity from minus t to t x of t whole square dt. By multiplying 2 by t numerator and denominator, we get t limit tends to t tends to infinity 2 by t into 1 by 2t integration from minus t to t x of t whole square dt equal to infinity. Classifying the signal as a power or energy signal, a bound periodic signal, a bound finite duration signal. We can observe the classification of signal, power and energy signals, a bound periodic signal and a bound finite duration signal. Here we observe unit function, ramp function, cos and sine functions. Energy of a power signal. Energy signal, it's in the between 0 to infinity. Power signal also in between 0 to infinity. Continuous time signal, energy formula minus infinity to plus infinity x square t dt. Power of continuous time signal equal to 1 by t into minus t by 2 t by integration of minus t by 2 t by 2 x square t dt. Discrete signal, energy equal to summation of x square n, power equal to 1 by n minus 1, n equal to infinity, x square n. Energy signal whose energy is finite and power is 0, whereas power signal is whose power is finite and energy is infinite. Thank you. In this video we learn illustration of continuous time signal and amplitude, power and energy signal. Signal can't have both power and energy. It have only one, either power or energy. Here are the formulas of continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Thank you.